Namaste viewers, welcome to DM Astrology again. This is a series of ascendant wise and a planet placement where we have reached till today Sun in Aries ascendant in 5th house. Now we are moving ahead to 5th house to 6th house, right? So now we are seeing that how Sun in Aries ascendant in 6th house gives the result. See, in the Aries ascendant, the Sun is a lord of 5th house, now it is placed in the 6th house, right? So being a 5th lord placed in the 6th house, for 5th house also it gives a good result, being it's placed in the 2nd house, but Sun is never been treated a good in the 6th house, because Sun is a planet which doesn't keep anything secret. It opens everything. So in 6th house when it is placed, that means it will not hide your disease, it will not hide your enemies, it will not hide where you are working, your position, your career, your job, your debt, all these things. So here we are going to see how it will be affecting. Now with the ascendant lord, Sun is very favorable, being it's friendly with the Mars, Sun and Mars, but Sun with the Mercury is not considered as a good. It's not a friend. It is not an enemy also. Right? It's because here we have to see the planet with the sign. So planet Sun is not so comfortable with this house, being it is a house of its neutral. So here Sun will give a neutral effect. Now, so that is the Sun and the Mercury. Then we have to see the Sun with the Mars. Why Mars again? Because Mars is a Karaka of a 6th house. So Sun is very good with the Mars. So Sun will cooperate in the matter of a Mars. But Sun will not cooperate with the matter of a Saturn. Now here in the 6th house, it is division of 4 items of a Mars and 4 items of a Saturn. How? Mars has a disease, debt, enemies, and your matrimonial, you can say that's a matrimonial house, means maternal uncle all comes here. So Mars have 4 items. Now Saturn has also job, servants, whatever the servants you have, the conspiracy and litigation. All 4 things are given to the Saturn. Now here Sun will support the Mars things, being it's a friend with the Mars, but will not support the Saturn item. So one by one we will see how it will be affecting. Sun being in the 6th house, what happens that you have a Sun is a DNA. I have many times repeated that Sun is a DNA, and that is why we get all the paternity and maternity. Here it's a disease house, so they follow the disease as per their father. Whenever the Sun in the 6th house, if it is not exalted, nor debilitated, not in own sign, then person disease. In the medical astrology it comes also that person disease is always known. Known means he will not advertise his disease, but he will know that whatever his father has, his forefather has, he will face the same disease, he will not face any another disease. Because by genetic disorder, the disease has fallen from grandparent to father to son. So that is a 6th house Sun, and with the Mars it support without. Here the support is not necessary, but Sun will support the Mars. So all related to the disease, it will make you suffer. That it will enhance, it will give you so much pleasure seeking, so that because of that you enhance your pleasure, and due to enhancing the pleasure you are not able to cope up, you have to take a debt. So if you take a debt, then you will be under the big trouble. Those who have a Sun in the 6th house, irrespective of the sign, should not take a debt from government, financial institute or any person. Otherwise they will not able to repay this. This is a big cause. Here we always find that once in debt, always in debt. Then what happens that they are not able to pay this. it will go to the next generation, either directly or either indirectly. See, in Hindu mythology, it is believed as a pious obligation. Here, the matter of a pious obligation comes here. So, person, if they don't pay anything, it goes to the next generation. They have to pay. They have to suffer. So, be careful in your life. If you have taken any debt, just try to give it back. Related to enemies, because of the ego. See, why I said that the sun will support the Mars things, here it is adversely affected because of the ego. Because of the ego, the person will not compromise and not settle with the person, so he will be creating so many enemies. So because of this, the enemy has been created and they have to suffer. So this is because of this. So this also been increased, and maternal relationship also very good. Their uncles, maternal uncles are very famous, very known, and because of them they are getting a good result. So for the maternal thing, it is giving a good result. But except this, the disease wise, it is not good. You will be following your generation disease or forefather disease. For that, it will create a debt, and you have to pay back, and it will be very heavy burden to you. And related to the your enemies also, it will create the instigation. It gives the instigation to your enemies, and your enemies always makes you trouble. And sometimes it happens that you make enemies to the government. You become an enemy of a government, and then you face. Now this is a part of a Mars things. Now we'll focus on the Saturn thing. Now he will not give the support to the Saturn. Being a father also, it will not support, because with the Mercury it's a neutral, and with the Saturn it's enemy. So this seated sun will not allow the Karak Saturn to perform perfectly. So what happened? First of all, always there is a problem in the job. Due to the superior persons, due to their senior person, due to their head of a department, they are always facing problem, and they are not always changing a job. Because of the senior, they are changing job. Here also senior is not good, going in another company or another organization, situation remains same. So it happens. So that is why it is better that doing job with the concern that it will not work, and it will give you always a trouble. So just try to adjust with your boss and your elder person, so that it will not cause you a much problem. If you have any servant also, these are the people who keep the servant and always pressurize the servant to do their duty. Even though a servant is doing a good duty, they are not providing them a good accommodation and good support. Because of this, what happened? The servant doesn't long last. And always there is a scarcity and problem related to the servant. So they always find that servants are always not cooperative, always changing the job and creating some or the other issue. I told you that Sun is not good with the Saturn. So Saturn 4 item, we have seen the job, we have seen the servant. Now in the conspiracy, being Sun in the 6th house, they will always become a part of the conspiracy. Whoever have a Sun in the 6th house, they are a part of a conspiracy. Some or the other way, people will make them suffer. They talk behind them, and Sun is such a planet that it will not hide anything. All good and bad deeds comes in the surface. So what happens? The enemies always speak about them. They always make a conspiracy with them. So this is not a good thing. And in litigation also, government will give so many chances of amicable settlement or alternate dispute resolution. But they are the people, due to the ego, they will not going for the settlement and suffer long-term battle in the legal. So those who are in Aries ascendant and Sun in the 6th house, just try to advise them. Please don't go to the litigation. Try to settle matter outside the court or outside amicable settlement. Otherwise, you will lose. See, this is a Sun. This is a ego. This is a genetic problem. That person, when come into the anxiety that no, I will not leave this person, and due to which he can suffer himself also suffer the opposite person. What's the benefit out of it? See, Sun in the 6th house may create so many problems, because it's a Karak of a first house, right? It's a karak of a first house, so it's a karak of a vitality. It's a karak of a immunity system, and karak of a vitality and immunity. That planet is placed 6 to it. From first house it is a 6. So what happened that they will always face the vitality and immunity problem, and because of this, whenever the season change, whenever the some time change, after 3-4 months, they always feel sick, always having a extra heat in the body, and due to that extra heat they are always suffering. So these are the problems when the sun is in the 6th house, and when it is in the Virgo sign. See, Virgo sign is a sign for the commercial terms, business, communication, all this sign. So sun being seated in this house is become neutral. It will always cause a name and fame also. You will not get appropriate name and fame what you seek. So name and fame wise also you will not getting a good result of the name and fame, and always facing some of the other problem with the enemies, with opposite person. See, in the nation wise also, if some nation has a sun in the 6th house, they will always face the external aggression, not internal but external aggression from the outside. It will be always being attacked from that. Being it is aspected to the 12th house, sun being seated here and aspecting the 12th house, it also create a problem related to unseen things, sudden loss due to the ego. They spoiled so much losses and imprisonment, and there is no recovery in the hospitalization also. So whenever Aries people having sun in the 6th house, they must be very careful. This sun is not good. This sun and the next sun, because next sun also when we discuss we'll see that sun also doesn't give the good result. So this sun has become neutral. It act 50%, and in this 50% it will more support to the Mars item, and it will see if it is support also it is loss for you, and if it is not support to you for the certain thing, that is also ultimate loss to you. So that is why sun is no way good in the 6th house. So by this they are suffering so many things, and all the things cannot be hide. See, 6th house is the enemy. Everybody has an enemy, but here what happened that the enemies are exposed. Some never hide anything, so everything get up exposed. The disease exposed, the enemies also exposed. They are working in a very good MNC and good position, but always facing a problem with their colleagues and senior person. So these are the issues related to the sun in the 6th house in the Aries ascendant. Definitely we'll see in the next video the sun in the 7th house in Aries ascendant in Libra. There you will find more things. So hope you like this education series, and do subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Do like my channel by pressing the like button. For consultation you will be always been directed to write me on the dmastrology1@gmail.com. You can contact me, and thank you very much for listening this video and liking this video, and with the next time we'll be coming with a very good subject. Okay, so namaste. Thank you very much for listening this video. Thank you.